Avoid this Facebook ads killer. You may not know it, but Facebook is actually asking your clients or previous customers for feedback after they have purchased from you. The feedback score goes from 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. And if you get a feedback score around 3, Facebook will start to limit your reach, meaning that your Facebook ads will become more expensive. And if your feedback score goes down around 1, they'll actually disable your account and you're most likely not going to get it back. So it's very important to keep that feedback score high. And the way you do that is simply by having a great business, a great product, and also great customer service. One of the problems that, for instance, dropshippers can have is if they're shipping products from China and the shipping time is 3 weeks or longer. That's going to give you a low feedback score really fast. So try to avoid that. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, if you want help with your Facebook ads, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. So click the link below to book a call with me to hear more about it. And I also offer a consultation, so you can buy a 1-hour consultation around your Facebook or Instagram ads. So you can also just do that by clicking the link to book a call or just write me a message. And also please join our free Facebook group for new coaches, consultants and entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.